I have helped thousands of people, so I'm very familiar with the most common mental block people have. I'm going to share 5 beliefs about money that keep people stuck. Let's release them together. The first one is money is bad. Money is the root of all evil. We've often heard these phrases, but do we really believe in it? I think we do. Because of money, we've been hurt. Because of money, we felt reluctant to do certain things, or we felt like we are forced to do certain things. For example, why do we go to work every day? To bring food on the table. Because of the money, we are forced to do something, so we feel like we are a slave. So from that context, we think money is evil. Do you want to have bad thing? So as much as we want money, we say no to money. This love and hate relationship is going on, and as a result, we feel money-related stress. Money is bad. No longer in my system. Let's release together. 2. Money is scarce. Why is this false? Because think about it. Money is everywhere. Money is in the bank, money is in big buildings, money is in wealthy people's lives. The problem is that money doesn't go through your house. Money doesn't really care if it goes through you or passes you and then doesn't touch you at all. But it makes a big difference if money comes into my life and out of my life. The most important thing is, can you have this circuit that money comes into your system and then comes out of your system? If you believe in money is scarce concept, you think probably it's like a pie. If you take one slice out of a pie, somebody else is not going to eat the pie. But say there are 3 friends who are making $50,000 more, and then give the money to the next person, and then the next person, and next person. So instead of just having no money circulate, think of this $50,000 circulating through the 3 people. So that means that the more money circulates in the economy, everybody gets abundant. So once you let go of this idea, money is scarce, and just join the circulation of money, you can enjoy this abundance in your life. 3. Money requires sacrifice. Why is this false? Because money comes to those who really enjoy the energy. There are 2 kinds of people. One who is really enjoying the job, the other who just hates the job. If you want to make more money, you have to enjoy the job, because money comes to those who really respect money. So if you think money requires sacrifice, you're digging a graveyard for yourself. 4. I'm not smart enough to make money. Do you need to be smart to make money? The statistics shows that a lot of self-made millionaires are dropout from colleges and high schools. Why? Because they're more passionate about what they do. And university smart people, they tend to work for other people. Money comes to those who give values to other people. So if you're good at cooking, if you're good at constructing, if you're good at listening, those people get paid more than that some people using their intelligence. You have to have some kind of intelligence, but not in the intelligence that you learn at school. 5. Money makes people mean or bad. It has some truth in it, so I cannot really deny this 100%. I'm sure you met somebody who have turned bad with money, but money is not making them. The relationship with money makes them go bad. Even you have lots of money, some people are very good. So money doesn't always make people bad. By changing this money belief, you can have both money and also you can stay as a nice person. If you want to learn how the truly wealthy people think about money, check out this video right here.